Alright, so in this video, we are going to see how to install Visual Studio Code on your Windows 10 64-bit operating system. So let's search for download Visual Studio, and you can see that this first side appears. But if you click on this and you see that this is not the software that we want to download. Okay, this is Visual Studio that is used to develop Android and web applications. So this is not the one we have to download. We have to download Visual Studio Code. So always type out this code, okay, after Visual Studio, and click on this first, download Visual Studio Code. You can see that now the latest version is version 1.50. At this time this is the latest version, and you can see that this is cross-platform app. It is available on every operating system. There is Windows, then we have Linux, and then we also have it on Mac. So according to our operating system, we are going to install it. If you have 32-bit, you can install 32-bit. If you have 64-bit, you can click on 64-bit. But as you click on downloads, it will automatically recognize what version you are using or what bit operating system you are using, and it will start downloading. So I've already downloaded it, so I'll just open it. Okay, after downloading it, you will find this in your downloads folder. Just click on enter, and here I accept the agreement, and then click on next. Then it asks where you want to save this, where you want to install this Visual Studio. So you can either browse and save it in a particular location, or you can just leave it to default and click on next. And it says that at least 250 MB of free disk space is required. Okay, click on next. It will create a shortcut in the startup menu folder. Okay, let's click on don't create a startup menu folder, and let's click on next. Create a desktop icon, and make sure you click on this add to path. Okay, this is very important. And click on next, and click on install. Now Visual Studio will be installed on our PC. It's faster. It will not take much time. Now you can see that after we click on finish, there is this option called as launch Visual Studio. So we'll click on finish. Now Visual Studio will be opened up for us. There you go. So this is how Visual Studio looks. This is mainly used to create HTML and CSS and other JavaScript and all the other files. So this is how Visual Studio Code looks, and this is how you download Visual Studio Code. If you like this video and if it was helpful to you, make sure you comment, like and share this video. That's it. Thank you.